But then I get the condition of the wheels too, to show that it ain't no curb rash right there. So if I come back and see curb rash, then I'm charging you for it.
Yeah, bounce back, got that bounce back. Yeah, we got that bounce.
All right, so I'm getting ready for my 3 o'clock check-in with the 5-0. Obviously, because this is the only car that I'm renting out right now. But right now, for me to get ready, what I'm doing is I'm just going around and making sure the car is completely clean, and I'm taking all my pictures before the client arrives. And he actually just texted me right now, say he'll be here in 5 minutes, so this video will be shorter than 5 minutes. But basically what I'm doing now is just going around, like I said, is taking detailed pictures. And what I'm noticing is the more detailed the picture, the better. So you gotta go around and get all, I say, 8 angles. So I get side, I get front right driver, you get front passenger, and then you get another side, and then you get a rear passenger, and then after that I get detailed pictures. Like I get the tires, so you can see that this is actually tread on the tires. I get little defects so I can acknowledge that I'm owning up to whoever hit me on this. I'm not gonna get it fixed right now. But then I get the condition of the wheels too, to show that it ain't no curb rash right there. So if I come back and see curb rash, then I'm charging you for it. And when I tell them that there's no burnouts, I got pictures showing that my tires had tread beforehand. So if you take detailed pictures, that protects anything. You know, document the condition of the inside of the car, show that it's absolutely spotless. Take you a picture of how much gas is in the car and the miles, in case I go over on miles. Full tank. And then just wait for them to arrive. It's pretty simple. Stay prepared. I keep my car clean, so I don't gotta come and try to clean it every single time. Like afterwards, they can either pay me to clean it for them, so I charge a $25 cleaning fee, or they clean it themselves and don't worry about it. Another little trick I do is, because I don't trust nobody's driving, I put the seat up. So they have to let it back if it's too close. I want them to be lifted up and able to see where they're going, because it's naturally a lower car, but that's no excuse for you to get in an accident. I'm trying to prevent, it's all like accident prevention at this point. It's all I'm really focused on, accident prevention. So that's it. It's Friday. They're picking up this car. They're keeping it for the entire weekend, and they're dropping it off on Sunday. Give y'all one last little walk around. It's coming up on 5 minutes now, so the client should be arriving. Any second now. Pull up as my car taking off.
Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Just flew in from London.